Welcome to Picture Healer channel. This is Shi Tian. Today we are going to talk about 3 easy morning drink mix you can make at home easily. It will help you detox, lose the extra fat, and raise your energy for the day. The first drink is the apple cider vinegar and lemonade. You probably heard of it. It's very healthy and very powerful to help you burn the extra fat and cleanse your body. You will need the apple cider vinegar. It's best to get the organic one, like the Bragg organic apple cider vinegar. And I add some water to the cup, maybe about 8 ounces. And you add about 2 tablespoons of the vinegar to the water. I'll just eyeball it. 1, 2. If you are new to this, you can start with just 1 tablespoon and gradually add more apple cider vinegar because it's a little bit too sour if you are not used to it. Next, we are going to cut half of the lemon or lime and just squeeze out all the juice from the half. I'm going to use lime today. It has a different smell and it's stronger than the lemon, but I like it. It's very refreshing. And you just add it into the water. I will use the fork to help get the juice out. You can drink this juice maybe 3 meals a day for a couple days, or at least twice a day, morning and evening. And then you can reduce it to once a day later. Okay, that's our basic apple cider vinegar and lemonade. Another thing I like to add is cinnamon. Cinnamon powder, just give 1 dash. Again, it's personal preference. You probably want to start light and add more when you are used to the flavor. Another thing I like to add is chia seed. I just give it maybe half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. It's very good for your digestion. You can also add some fruit in the drink to make it more nutritious. So this is our first drink: apple cider vinegar, lemonade, plus chia seed and cinnamon powder. The second drink is green tea. I have this interesting looking tea. I prefer using loose tea, but green tea comes with a powder too, so you can also just add powder and add hot water. So now I'm going to add some hot water to my green tea. I just use my hot water dispenser. And then I like to add some ginger. You can just slice it and throw it in the tea, or you can try to grate it so it's smaller. So that's what it looks like. The other thing you can add is cilantro or mint. I have the dried herb. Here. I'll add a few flakes. So how it looks like. And I can also add lemonade. This is the other half. I'm going to add it here. You don't have to have all the ingredients. It's very flexible. You just work with what you have at home and see which one you like best. But it's a good idea to add some lemon or vinegar. The next we can add some honey. You need a good quality honey. It's best if you can find organic raw honey because you can get the most nutrition and the enzyme from it. I don't need a lot of honey, just a little bit. Just give it a stir and it's ready to drink. It actually tastes very good. You can see all the green tea leaves are uncurling. It becomes bigger now. The third drink is kind of a variation of the chai tea. I use different type of the spice, and you can add black tea or you don't have to. And it's better if you can cook it on the stove top for the stronger flavor and add a little bit milk at the end, or we can just throw in a mug and add hot water. This is the cloves, cardamom, clove, cardamom, cinnamon. I also throw in some black tea, the loose tea leaf, and let it steep for a few minutes, and I'm going to add the milk. Just a little bit of milk. If you are trying to avoid milk, you can use almond milk or soy milk too. Just need a dash of the milk. Look at that. Now that's the chai latte. I'm also going to add some of the gingers, the fresh ginger I have. Just grate it a little bit. Okay, now it's a nice warm drink to wake up your body in the morning. You can strain out all the herbs, or you can just drink directly from the cup. It actually tastes pretty good to me. I hope you try it and let us know you like it or not. I'm trying this apple cider lemonade and cinnamon and chia seed drink every morning now. It gives me better energy and I don't feel as bloated as before. You can drink this one hot or cold. So that's the 3 healthy morning detox drinks. I hope you like it and see you next week.